So what is up guys, the new update of ABX ROG edition is here. Actually not a new one but a different one based on Android version 10. I thought this might be a good choice because it is very good in speed, and also Android 11 is actually a little bit different kind of thing. Redmi Note 8 Android 11 is very weird in use, but Android 10 is quite fast, quite stable. I think so you'll definitely love this. If you want to install this, you can. ABX ROG edition version 12.0.3, it's not 12.5 but has all the basic features which you need. For example, let me show you by going into all specs first, as it's based on Android version 10. I think so, in my opinion, Redmi Note 8 Android 10 performs well if you compare it with Android version 11. So yes, you should try out on your device if you want to. It's just my opinion. Let me show you the default things. First of all, the app opening and app closing animation. If you're able to see, it's actually quite fast. Of course, I have enabled animation 0.5x. I always use those animations in all my videos, all my custom ROMs. So if you're still feeling some difference here, if you're still noticing some difference here, I think so you'll definitely love this, and I think so it's good. You can give it a try if you want to. Also, the best thing is if you mod any kind of custom ROM based on MIUI etc., the safety status was also big concerning thing, but no worries, safety status also does not have any kind of issues. It's pre-rooted, by the way. And why it is pre-rooted? Because if you use this build and after that install Magisk on a device, you will have some issues. You will face some issues like reboot failed and something like that. I'm not sure about that error, but you always get that error. Safety status is fixed, no worries. You simply need to hide Magisk from settings, and this is why it's pre-rooted, because of some kind of errors you will get. So to avoid those errors, it's pre-rooted. I haven't installed any kind of modules to fix safety status. You simply need to hide it from settings, including that, as you always get in MIUI ROG edition, ABX ROG edition, this kind of volume panel, it's also there. So yes, you can simply check it out if you want to. This looks good, but it's kind of non-usable, kind of usable. It depends upon you. Whatever your opinions are, whatever you're thinking about this is kind of same. Let me show you some other things here. For example, this is the default UI default icon pack which you get in ABX ROG edition always, and it is almost same like this. No major changes here. Let me show you some one or two more things here. For example, this is a default theme, of course, but you also get two extra themes like ABX ROG edition Lime UI and Gradient, whatever you want to use. Both of these themes look good, and by the way, both of these themes are also available on the theme store. If you're using any other custom ROM, any other MIUI based custom ROM, and want to try out these themes, you can. And also, I made a video on these themes on my Hindi channel, so make sure to check out those if you want to install these themes. But these are already included. Other themes are also removed. You can see only one by default theme is there, which is also themed one. No super wallpapers, those are just gone from here. Including that, you can see the new updated screen recorder is here with the 90 fps, and including that, if you are able to see, we have the navigation bar pill, which is not included in the Android 10 MIUI 12 edition for Redmi Note 8. It's also there. The blur is also there. Everything, whatever you need, everything is there. So yes, you should give it a try if you want to. I think so it's good enough. Including that, we have the DPI changer, as I always put it on my custom ROM. So yes, it's there if you want to use. I sometimes use 411. If you want to use that, you'll definitely love that. Just make sure to use. It also includes a new updated launcher. It does not have the iOS recents, by the way. I thought those are not that much useful, but yes, the new launcher is also there with these animations you just saw. These animations are from this launcher. Arrange items in recents, etc. is just working perfectly fine. Everything else I've already shown you. The ROM is already released on the website, so make sure to check out that. Download it according to your device. Of course, we are talking about the Redmi Note 8, so make sure to check the correct download link. Everything else I've already shown you. If you want to try it out, this build on your device, link is in the description. This is all from today's short and simple video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye. Take care.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.